My Civic, I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, I'm bouncing in my Civic, I'm riding in my Civic, I got the 3 gas Civic.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Chevrolet 254. We out here in the garage doing a little cleaning up, just sprinkle some stuff on the yard so I can get my yard A1 day one. I'm saying, getting that watered in and all that. So I want to make this video as I'm cleaning. not really cleaning, but this is gonna be an attempted haul. My boy Cat Loco, I was watching some of his videos and I seen him doing like the tool hauls, and I guess not really a haul. I'm just going to get some stuff that I need for the garage. So as you can see here, I got my kids' bikes. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then as you can see over here, there's another bike. So it's like 5 bikes in the garage. So I want to put them on the side of the house and put a tarp over them. So I heard that it's something where I can tarps are like free with a coupon, I believe. So on top of that, I have this box here. This is actually supposed to go inside the back of my truck out there. And I usually have a strap, a ratchet strap that I put around it, but in order to like kind of more quickly get stuff or get the box secured and unsecured, they have this bar that goes across the back of the bed. Put the bar across, boom, and it should hold it in place. I believe there's also a 25% off coupon that's going right now that will allow for that to happen. Yeah. So, what else? I really think that's it, man. The bikes are a big thing. Getting the bikes out the way is a big thing. Getting that box out the way is a big thing. That's like car stuff, jack stands, all of that. I'm gonna get that straightened up out the way and everything. But I really don't like. I'll leave my son's little bike in there, but my other kids' bikes, like, they can go outside under a tarp because they don't live here. So when they need them, we're gonna get them. All that jazz. So, what else we got back there? Just stuff we got to sort through, man. As you can see, we got the welder back there. Eastwood MIG 135. I've been looking at the junkyard. I think I've been seeing a couple Caprices. I just got to go out there and cut the flow pans out. That's a video that's coming. You believe that? Whoa! I almost tripped on YouTube. And just uncluttering it. You know what I'm saying? It's less of a hazard. So let's go inside the garage. I'm still inside the house. Ugh. I'm still trying to figure out what I can do as far as video quality. Quality's good. It's just that occasional sound when I move the camera inside of that one case. I really don't like holding it like this, but I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. It's not that bad, I don't reckon. Like I said, we are gonna try to put like some tape or something to make it fit better. Because what's the point of spending all that money on this and it's not effective? I mean, don't get me wrong, it's effective. It's just not as effective. So let's go inside. All right, so what we got here, and I really don't like recording here because of the fans on my computer. I don't know exactly which ones they are, but some of them are a little bit louder than others. So let me see. That's Facebook. All right, so here we are at Harbor Freight Tool Coupon Database. Basically, what this does is it allows us to find, the things. So, like I was saying with the tarp, I already found one that is free. So that's 5 foot. 6 inches by 7 foot 6 inches. So that should be enough to cover the bikes after I put them in the backyard. I believe, yeah. So they have current coupons here. This one is good through the 28th. I believe. So there's a good coupon right there. One more time, their website is going to be hfqpdb.com. Alright, so go back to the main page. It's Easter weekend. I got 25% off coupons. So that's why I was thinking about grabbing that bar, which is originally, let me see if I can find it here. Harbor Freight. Let me see. Yeah, so they got 25% off coupons. It's not like ain't even like really a secret. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of stuff's already there. So you get a free light. You get free microfibers, you get free drinks. So and originally it's only $3, so it's not a bad deal. Let's see here. I think it may be with like auto motorcycle, welding, lawn and garden, everything else. I think it might be everything else. Let me see here. I'm trying to think about what this shit's called. Like, think of it on the fly. I know where it is in the store. I just don't know exactly where it is. I just typed in bar collapsible. Gotta be here somewhere. Yeah, I don't see it. Let me flip through the book right now. Maybe I can find the actual appropriate name for it. But anyway, y'all get the deal. You know what I'm saying? The thing is like $25 maybe $30. You get 25% off. So that's a good amount off on that. And then you get a free tarp. And both of those things are gonna help me get the garage cleaned out and everything. So, yeah, man, just bring y'all an update on what's going on. So, identify your weaknesses, make them your strengths. Gone.